to advise you what is happening, when it's happening, and to give you any advice about what you can do.
Okay.
So that's not the warrant. The officers will carry the warrant with them.
Okay. Could you send me a copy of a warrant, please?
No, we don't give. It's a court document that must remain. For GDPR, it's a court document, which is a very serious document because it gives execution powers to execute the warrant. It isn't something that we provide copies for. They don't ever get duplicated. We have the warrant. It's stamped here, and it's kept at the court until the day it's needed, and then it's carried by the officers. They can show you. If you identify as the defendant, then they can show you the warrant when they come to your property. That is not a problem.
As far as I'm aware, the defendant should get a copy of the warrant.
You've got a copy of the possession notice. You've got your
I'm talking
notice
about
of eviction,
the warrant.
your N54, and they will show you. If you need to be shown a copy, they will show it to you on the day of the eviction.
I am talking about the warrant. I want to see the warrant because I have right to see it.
They will show you the warrant when they come to you.
I would like to have a copy of it.
If you'd like to write into the court to request a copy, I can give you an email address and they can put that request through.
Okay,
but we
please.
do not send copies out of warrants. They are a document that is kept within the court.
Well, if I'm involved in this case, I need to have a copy of every document that court issues.
You would be shown the warrant.
I don't want to be shown. I would like to have.
Well, then you need to email into the court to request that.
Okay, can I have the email address,
That is
please?
the procedure of what happens.
Okay, can I have the email address?
Of course you can. So it's civil.
Yes.
.Worcester.
Yes.
.County Court.
Yes.
At justice.
Mhm.
.gov.uk. If in the email title make sure you put the claim number.
Yes.
And identify who you are.
Okay.
And put your specific requests of what you would like to see sight of. So if you send that in, then that's all I can really advise you to do.
Okay.
Because we do not, from this department, we wouldn't show you a warrant. We wouldn't send a copy of a warrant because that can be, it should only be used and it should only be handled really by a court officer. So that's why we don't. If you feel that you have a right, please email into that email address, and if you put it for the attention of the court manager, then they can look at that request for you.
Okay, and what department I'm speaking to now? You are from the...
This is the bailiff department.
Bailiff department, okay. And who do I need to speak to get an appointment to visit the court?
Regarding what?
Just to visit the court, to look around and visit, or do I not need an appointment?
If you want to come into the court building, there are areas of the court building that are open to the public.
Okay.
If you want to speak to anybody about a specific requirement, we don't do what's called like a counter appointment, apart from urgent applications. So if you wanted to make an application to the court,
yeah,
you can make an appointment. You can phone, I think on your eviction notice, there would have been a red or orange piece of paper that had a phone number on to say for urgent appointments. You can phone that if you wish to make an urgent appointment, but they will ask you what your appointment is regarding.
Okay.
If it's just that you want to walk around the court building, you can do that without an appointment, but you can't come into any of the, there's certain areas that you need access to get through to. So you couldn't come into the offices, for example, because of GDPR.
Of
course. We've got work on our desk, etc.
Of course.
So, have you got that piece of paper with
I
that
have.
phone number on?
I have, yes.
You have, brilliant.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for calling me back.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.